All right, what's up guys? So today we're going to be installing a holder for the front end of your Subaru. This is a Subaru Forester Wilderness Edition, and we're going to be installing it. And the great thing is that Subaru already kind of helped us with these little divots for us to kind of know where to put it. And when I do online the plate holder here, you kind of see that the holes, they're not perfectly, but they line up in a way that if I do, try to make the holes, they work. So to start off, I'm going to be using a power tool. I have a 7/64 drill bit, and I'll do that and start out. I'm going to start out small, and then I have the bolts here as well to kind of, obviously the 7/64 is smaller. It's better to start small than big, because then you can make adjustments as you're going, compared to you make a big hole, then you can't do anything. So I'll start out with that first, and then we'll see how that goes.
This one's 9/64.
So 9/64 drill bit. All right, perfect. So that worked. That's how big the hole is now. So now we're gonna get the license plate holder in there. And this is something I got on Amazon. I believe it was like 15 bucks or so. It's very simple. Nothing fancy. I didn't want, you have your fancy ones that you can get, obviously. But for me, it was more about just the practicality of it. So there you have it. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty practical. So then I can, at the top there, you see there's a little screws that holes I can put screws in. So then I can just put my plate there, and then it's simple. So yeah, go on Amazon, you can get it. I think I got it for 15 bucks. And so yeah, there you have it.